What's up guys, so in this video basically we're going to show you guys how to install these decal right here. So this is basically 8 piece and this is white, so I'm going to install it on the car rim. Okay guys, so basically to peel off these right here, you can basically like this, you can paste this part right here on the rim. As you can see guys, basically on right now. So what I can do next is tear off this top plastic right here. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to tear off this top part right here, like so. That's it, like so. And we can see this part right here guys, well stuck onto the rim, looking neat. As you can see guys, they are now installed, looking pretty neat. So you can see one up here, you can see looking pretty neat all around. So front part as well, have decal going on as well right there. That's how it basically look. So you have installed them right around the car, looking pretty neat. You can see right here as well.